guide through the waters of jungle expedition said to be filled with the powerful reptile Reptilian. At this temple, visitors may crawl aboard a representation of the fearsome, toothsome creature and zigzag through the mud-clay trough that encircles the jungle. Reptilian is a steel bobsled roller coaster located at King's Dominion in Doswell, Virginia. It opened in 1988 as Avalanche and has a height of 69 feet and a length of 1,905 feet. Now, sit back, hold on tight, and enjoy your ride. Hi, Brantley here. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.